Hi, my name's Shaun, and this is my 2007 Porsche 911 Turbo. It's got a lot of custom mods on the vehicle, from bigger intercoolers, GT3 plenums. It does have the manual transmission, which is nice too. So I've had Track1 Engineering coilovers on the vehicle now for about 5 years, and they're running amazing. I've never had no issues at all with them. I'm still riding like they are first day I got them. So what we have going on back here, we've updated GT3 intake plenum. I've got the bigger intercooler piping, IPD, along with the GT2 intercoolers. We did the full titanium exhaust, very lightweight, and it sounds amazing. And on the inside, I had everything all done, diamond stitch custom. Did the underlay dash like the GT3 custom suede, thicker steering wheel, along with the flat bottom. Yeah, just everything updating the car to be like it would be today's standard. The last part of the puzzle I wanted to do was actually find a suspension that would work for my needs. So this car originally came with a set of H&R lowering springs. It was really bouncy and it didn't fit the right height that I was looking for. I like the cars nice and low, but I also wanted to ride really nice as well too. So I ended up contacting John at Track1 and asked him about his suspension that he had available for this car. And it all worked out great. We had it installed, it's dropped nice and low, rides like a dream. And I drive like this height all the time, no issues at all. And it's got the 12-way dampening as well. I put it right in the middle and it rides so nice. Anybody looking to modify their car, either street or track, highly recommend Track1 Engineering coilovers for your setup. You won't be disappointed.